Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting by making sure iOS recognizes the calendar you want. Open Google Calendar, sign in, and grant calendars access. This lets iOS read events. Then open Settings, go to Mail Accounts, and confirm your Google account is listed and syncing calendars. Once done, return to Settings and tap Calendar to prepare to change defaults. This step links the app account to system-level settings, so make sure sync is active before continuing. Next, change the system default so new events use Google by default. Open Settings, scroll to Calendar, then tap Default Calendar. You'll see a list of calendars. Pick the Google Calendar tied to your account. Selecting the primary calendar ensures events you create in Apple Calendar or via Siri go into Google. Make sure the calendar shows your email. If multiple Google calendars exist, pick the one you use most. This prevents duplicates and keeps invites where you expect them. Finally, confirm success by creating a quick test event from the lock screen, control center, or within Calendar. Observe that it lands in your Google Calendar. If it doesn't, go back to Settings, Mail Accounts, tap your Google account, and toggle calendars off and on, then restart the phone. That often fixes sync recognition. Make sure Apple Calendar isn't overriding via a different default. If issues persist, open the Google Calendar app and check its internal account and event creation settings.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.